Dear ninth standard students, welcome to our Edu Allrounder channel. Today I am going to show you a question paper of science. This question paper belongs to CBSE board conducted in a school. Maximum marks 80. First they have given general instructions. Question paper comprise 4 sections A, B, C and D. A question in section A 1 to 20 carry 1 mark each. Section B 21 to 26 carry 2 marks each. Section C question number 27 to 33 carry 3 marks each. Section D question number 34 to 36 carry 5 marks each. Now we will move to the questions. Section A 1 mark each. Name the following tissues that form the inner lining of our mouth, present in the brain. First question. Second, what is the function of RBC? Third, lipid molecules in the cells are synthesized by smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, plastids. What is a substance? What is the simplest type of motion? Find the acceleration produced by a force of 12 N exerted on an object of mass 3 kg. What is the unit of gravitational constant? G. Each carry 1 marks. Write the molecular formula for a magnesium carbonate, sodium sulfate. What is the atomicity of NH4Cl? Calculate the work done when a force of 15 N moves a body by 5 meter in its direction. State the meaning of recoil velocity of gun. Define atomic number. What is the valency of oxygen? For question number 14, 15, 16, two statements are given, one labeled assertion A and the other labeled reason R. Select the correct answer to these questions from the course A, B, C and D as given below. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of the assertion. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of the assertion. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. 14. Assertion. Chloroplast performs photosynthesis. Reason. Chloroplast comprises photosynthetic pigments. You have to find out whether it comes under A, B, C, D. Which one? 15. Assertion. The number of electrons in the valence shell of helium is 2. Reason. The valency of helium is 2. 16. Assertion. The mass of a body is the same on moon and earth. Reason. The mass of a body is measure of inertia and is same everywhere. I think it is inertia. Read the following passage and answer any 4 questions. Cell body is the main part of a nerve cell. A large nucleus is present in the middle of the cell body. It also contains cytoplasm. Dendrons are hair-like and these are called dendrites. Each neuron has a long, thick and cylindrical part which is called axon. The nerve endings attached to the lateral branches of the axon known as synapse. Dendrites receive impulses and axon takes away from the cell body. What is the main part of the nerve cell? Nucleus, cell body, cytoplasm, dendrites. Name the hair-like part arising from the cell body. Dendron, axon, synapse, none of these. What is the shape of axon? Rectangular, cylindrical, circular, spherical. What is attached to the lateral branch of axon? Nucleus, nerve ending, synapse, dendrites. Which part of neuron receives the messages? Cell body, dendrites, axon, nucleus. Read the following passage and answer any four questions. The diseases which spread or get transmitted by consumption of contaminated water are called waterborne diseases. An airborne disease is any disease that is caused by pathogens and transmitted through air. Thus, the infectious agents can get transferred from infected person to healthy person through water, air, dust, and droplets. The entry of pathogen in the body is called infection. The vectors are the living organisms which spread their pathogens from an infected person to a healthy person. After entering into the body, the pathogens multiply till they produce enough toxins to make the symptoms of the disease appear. Dash an example of waterborne disease: cold, pneumonia, cholera, none. Infectious agents get transferred from infected person to healthy person to infected person, both always one and a second, cell to cell, fourth. B. Dash an example of airborne disease: tuberculosis, hepatitis, diarrhea, none. Dash spread pathogens from one body to another. Vectors: air, water, both 1 and 2. Housefly is a vector for the disease dengue, kala azar, cholera, malaria. Read the following passage and answer the following. Rutherford's alpha ray scattering experiment led to the discovery of neutrons, but he could not explain the stability of the atom and how the electrons are distributed outside the nucleus. To overcome these drawbacks, Niels Bohr in 1913 proposed a new model called Bohr's model of an atom. According to Bohr's model, only certain special orbits known as discrete orbits of electrons are allowed inside the atom. While resolving in discrete orbits, the electrons do not radiate energy. These orbits are shell called energy levels and are represented by the letters K, L, M, N, or the numbers n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. The distribution of electrons in these orbits is done by a Bohr-Bury scheme proposed by two scientists, Bohr and Bury. According to this scheme, maximum number of electrons present in a shell is given by the formula 2n raised to 2, where n is the orbit number. Maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in the outermost orbit is 8. Shells are filled in stepwise manner. If an element has 3 electrons present in M shell, what is the atomic number? Write the drawbacks of Rutherford model. Draw the diagram showing electronic distribution of carbon. The atomic number of an element is 11. Its outermost occupied shell is K shell, L shell, M shell, N shell. Read the passage and answer the following. The greater the force applied to an object, the larger the acceleration is produced. It can be shown experimentally that acceleration is proportional to force. It can also be shown that the greater the mass of an object, the smaller the acceleration for the same force. To produce the same acceleration, the force has to increase in proportion to mass. A student measures the acceleration of car using an apparatus. The results obtained are shown on the acceleration force graph. Here one graph is given. Write down the equation connecting force, mass and acceleration. Describe how changing the force affects the acceleration. Use the data from the graph to calculate the mass of the car. Newton's second law of motion gives us a measure of force, inertia, mass, acceleration. Name the plastids. Now we will move into the section B, 2 marks each. Name the plastids which give red color to the tomato and green color to leaves. State differences between ligaments and tendon. Mention any 4 postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. A force of 20 N displays a body through a distance of 1 meter at an angle of 60 degree from its own direction. Calculate the amount of work done. Or give relation between Newton and dyne. What do you understand by the term distillation? Gives its one application. Calculate the average density of the earth in terms of G, and R. Section C, 3 marks each. What are the differences between striated, unstriated and cardiac muscles? Draw and label the parts of prokaryotic cell. Name the two types of diseases, one caused by some external agents and other due to some internal disorder of the body. Mention various causative agents, how these types of disease can be prevented. 30. 110 gram salt is present in 330 gram of water. Calculate the mass by mass concentration of solution. Or draw and explain a method to separate mixture of mustard oil and water. The 31st, the graph given below shows the positions of the body at different times. Calculate the speed of the body as it moves from A to B, B to C, C to D. Here is the diagram. Calculate the number of moles present in the 3.011 into 10 raised to 23 number of oxygen atoms, 60 gram calcium, given that atomic mass of Ca equal to 14 units, Avogadro number equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Define acceleration due to gravity. Derive an expression for acceleration due to gravity in terms of mass of the earth m and universal gravitational constant g. Now section D, 5 marks each. What are the consequences of the following conditions? A cell having higher water concentration than the surrounding medium. A cell having lower water concentration than the surrounding medium. A cell having equal water concentration to its surrounding medium. Name the materials of which the cell membrane and cell wall are composed of. Or draw a label diagram of neuron. Derive the mathematical formula of conservation of momentum. Explain Rutherford's model of an atom. Observation. Conclusion. This completes the question paper. Dear students, those who have not yet subscribed our channel, subscribe and watch our channel regularly. Thank you for watching.